Sunset views with a lovely location? There's not much more you could ask for here at Madison Claremont. Ideally situated for young professionals and families alike, our community offers the location you need with the amenities you deserve. Newly renovated, featuring 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartment homes in beautiful Claremont, Florida. We're conveniently located just minutes from routes 27 and 50. No matter your need, you'll never be far from shopping, entertainment, and work. A number of restaurants are just a stone's throw away, including Carrabba's, Olive Garden, and more. If a cold one is in store for the evening, you'll find World of Beers nearby. JCPenney and Kohl's are close as well. While amenities abound in our community, you'll absolutely love the sunset views from your oversized balcony. Spacious open floor plans feature a breakfast bar, stunning lake views, wood vinyl flooring, washer and dryer in each unit, and more. Detached garages are available as well. The perfect community for active individuals and families, you'll find a sparkling resort-style pool, on-site fitness center with cardio and strength training equipment, full-length basketball court, tennis court, sand volleyball area, children's playground, and more. Pet-friendly with no weight restrictions, you'll find an off-leash dog park within our community as well. Active young professionals and families need not look further. You've found your new home. This is Madison Claremont. Enjoy the view.